Yes, good evening, friends. Today I brought a nice job that is Power BI developer. It is work location is Hyderabad. Who have completed 4 years in Power BI developer, they can apply for the job. So very nice job. So we will go through the job description. So we are seeking a highly skilled Power BI developer with 4 years of experience to join our team. So actually, who have 4 years experience, they can only apply for the job. So what are the key responsibilities? Key responsibility means they must prepare Power BI dashboards based on the business requirement, and they must know about SQL. SQL is necessary for this Power BI developer job. So they are requiring for hands-on experience in SQL Server, and they must know Power Query and DAX also, so that they can eligible for this job. What are the key skills and requirements? So minimum 4 years experience in Power BI development. They must know DAX and Power Query. Hands-on experience with the SQL. Okay, SQL is must and should. And the knowledge of Microsoft Power Platform, Power Automate, and Power Apps in A plus. Strong analytical problem solving communication skills is required. These are the skills. Oh, any graduate can apply this post. Okay. So key skills. So Microsoft Power BI, they must know Microsoft Power BI, Power Pivot, data visualization, DAX, and Power BI desktop, visual analytics, and Power Query, group reporting, Power BI report filters, Excel, Power View, Cloud, and data modelings. They must know. So who has this knowledge, so they can apply for the job. They will get good package for this. This is Hyderabad location. Okay, friends. I have given this link in the description. So please use that description link and apply for the job. Thank you, guys.